Thing is regarding the Panjim ferry. Now, there has been news going around that we were cancelling it. Now, it was originally on the promenade. Okay, so that part now, because of security reasons for the Prime Minister's visit, we cannot have it there. So, what we were planning on doing is, say, on the 12th or the 13th, for 3 or 4 days after that, we will have the ferry in that area once the Prime Minister leaves. So, now there was a negative police report that had come that was advising us not to do it there for security reasons, because you cannot have setup, you cannot have vehicles parked on the road for those particular reasons. There is no issue with that. It was only the one that used to happen on the promenade. Now that will stop also. So now, all considering, he's the Prime Minister of our country also. Now there are security reasons for his visit also now. Unfortunately, it coincided with the thing, so we cannot do anything about that. But we understand the concerns of the people also. There are vendors also that need to look after their livelihoods. So because of that, we are not cancelling it. We have postponed it now. So it was on. It was going to happen till the 11th. We'll postpone it for, like, say, the 12th or the 13th. We will have it for 3 or 4 days after that. So we'll give everyone an opportunity to have the thing also. The meeting today held at the collector's office at 1 o'clock. So all the concerned departments were called. So we had told them to basically expedite the works. Now they had promised us a completion date of 31st of March for most of the thing. See, the sewage work in the central city is going as per plan. The road work is going a little slow also, we will acknowledge that, but they have assured us that they would speed up the entire thing.